Thailand just opened up the border. Pack with you guys. Documents, like daily contact lens, airport stuff. I've been eating, I love it. A lot of beginnings. What's up guys, this is Kikyo. So why I'm dressing like this? Because I'm going to Thailand. I know, I'm very excited. So you guys know it's final week and I just finished everything and I planned a trip, which is the first trip during COVID. I wouldn't say after COVID, but I'm living in Japan. Japan's being so much better recently. Thailand just opened up the border, so all you need to do is just one night quarantine. I decided to travel to Thailand during this break because April and May is just perfect for Thailand and I really need a trip for myself. I worked so hard during this semester. I had a lot of part-time jobs, made a lot of money, and I worked so hard on my schoolwork, so I decided to go to Thailand. In this video, I want to talk about the checklist, the pack list, what you need for Thailand trip, for the beach trip. I want to pack with you guys. I'm gonna make more videos talk about like how to travel to Thai from Japan during COVID, what you need, like do you need PCR, how to book hotel stuff. And if you're interested in these kind of videos, please follow my channel. And in this video, let's just get started to pack with me. So there's only 2 days left for my trip. I'm actually really nervous. And today I'll have to finish my packing. First, I want to show you my pack list. I made a pack list about, I'll just put the screenshot here. I put it on my computer so I can see. The first thing I need, passport, IDs, resident card, student IDs, and a lot of copies for my visa, and ID photos. So, alright, I already printed out. Alright, so I found a folder. I just put my documents here, and passport, it's so important. Just don't forget your passport. I don't know, my suitcase is kind of like a mess and my room is like a mess. Can you guys see? So documents. So all the bag I'm gonna bring is this black backpack and this suitcase, which I can do it carry on, and I was thinking about if I should bring this hat, but I think it's pretty cheap. They're selling it in Thailand, so I'm gonna maybe buy it in Thailand. And then I'm gonna bring this little beach bag. Yeah, so the first list, I got my passport, IDs here, and then I need cash and baht and yen, credit card, bank cards, and train card. Credit card, bank card, and train card. I got every card in my wallet. Put it here. Next one, I need pen, notebook, and planner. Okay, that's so important. I really need my planner.
2,000 years later.
My planner's here. What else I need? Don't forget to bring your phone charger, and AirPods charger with you, and camera. So I'm gonna bring this camera. This is a film camera. Make sure you got the films. I just got film the other day. I got this Kodak Color Plus film. I'm gonna put it in this camera. Bring this camera in my bag, and then I'm gonna watch. So recently I just got this camera. It's a DJI Pocket 2. I'll tell you guys if it's good or not. Sunglasses. This is Ray-Ban. This is actually a man's glasses, but I just really like it. And I just fold it in this little case and put it in my bag. And then I need my passport and my little bag. It doesn't really fit. And then my wallet. So this is my little bag I'm gonna bring on plane, and my stomach is really weak, so I really need to bring a lot of medicine. It's actually my medicine bag. So I got a lot of medicine from hospital because I had a stomach problem before. I would say just make sure bring a lot of stomach medicine because their food I'm not really used to. Like I know they eat raw food and a lot of like spicy food too. So I'm just in case I'm gonna bring a lot of stomach medicine. My stomach is really weak. My glasses is here. I just packed my glasses, put it in my backpack. I'm using those like daily contact lenses, so like you don't have to wash it. So I bought this hat from Japan. It's like a UV cut hat. You can wear it like this. It's like huge, so you're not scared of the heat, you know. It's gonna be super hot there, so I'm gonna bring this hat. I'm gonna wear sneakers and then bring this black slippers, which I can use on the beach. See? I'm just gonna shop a lot of skincare and makeup stuff there, like makeup remover, lotion and stuff. So all I need to bring like skincare stuff, I'm just gonna bring this much. Like just this bag, I got my like makeup stuff. Like this is my favorite lipstick. These 1 and 2 from Chanel. So these are my snacks. I got like this is for stomach, and I got some tea, some chocolate, some protein bars. Alright guys, I just kind of finished my packing. I want to show you guys what I got in my suitcase. Here's my document, planner stuff I'm gonna bring like just with me, and this bag I'm just gonna bring it to the airport stuff. Sunglasses, very easy, just wallet and what's this? Passport and my DJI Pocket 2 and my train car AirPods. I have some shirt, can protect me from the from the heat, and this one's like a little UV cut hat and slipper, and then these are a lot of bikinis. I'll show you guys when I get there. I got a lot of bikinis, and this one I just showed you guys in one of my unboxing videos, which you can wear on the top of outside of the bikini. I just really brought a lot of bikini and little shirt from Brandy Melville, and and this is pretty important, just get this is for swimming, okay, swimming glasses and a bunch of medicine. Alright, that's pretty much it. I don't want to bring too much stuff because I'm gonna buy a lot of stuff in Thai. Got no plans, we got nothing. I've been eating, I love it. It's called PhD.